I'm sure we are making the neighbors extremely happy this morning. Little 6 a.m. wake up call here for them. That's alright. Don't move next to the construction company, I guess. Sitting here for probably pretty close to a year. Too much. I think they realize that we've been here a lot longer than all of them, but you never know. We're gonna get this truck loaded and get hooked up to our trailer, get fueled up. I should have fueled up before, but are you going to clean this up?
No. Looks fine to me.
He's got a problem. Found this thing again.
Where was it at? In my truck.
I just didn't get it out. Is this wood in here?
Sure is.
Why?
Wonder why that is.
I don't know. I don't know.
Well, I took the little pieces off of that one.
Yeah. Believe it. Ain't gonna hurt nothing, is it? Yeah, that's not very big. That's not near as big as that other one. It's got a wall over it too.
You think you don't want these fucking things?
I don't know. They're bringing more over here. Don't know why that would be. People can't get enough of Brandon working his magic. We've had Brandon laid off for 6 months.
Now see, I'm going on vacation.
Yeah. No,
6 months.
no, you're not. This big, beautiful hole for you. Yep, I'm gonna have to speed this up on YouTube. Can't rush perfection though. Can't rush it.
Can't rush me. Got a little hump.
Oh, Willie.
Soily?
Soiled your pants this morning. You said you had leftover soil in your pants. You remember that, right?
Yeah. Never know we need a soil sample. Kind of heavy on that.
Soiled the old pants. You already talking about sitting down?
Yeah, bud.
Perfect. Nice work. What else is coming in there? Did you load the meter?
Now I'm going back to truck.
It's like the heaviest thing.
It's like 10 pounds.
Is he gonna have to dig that out? Imagine that. What else is he bringing over here?
That's it.
What's he looking for then?
I have no idea. Is that a holding it up? I'm holding. Push it that way, man. Not in the mud. Don't push it in the mud. There, you're pushing it right in the mud.
Keep going.
I go a little more?
Yeah, you can go more.
Come on. That's probably better.
Stop pushing it down.
I think this is gonna have to go that way here.
Gonna twist a little bit too.
You want to keep coming this way?
Put that on real quick.
Why is it gotta go this way?
I got some room. Well, just so we can get all of this.
What? Oh, this?
Hey, watch your
What is
head.
he talking about?
Pipe fitter.
That seems longer than the gray one.
It might be.
Yeah. Oh, that's heavy. You're gonna have to start a nut on that.
Sit it back that way.
Would it be easier to put the bolt through this way? Yeah, you're gonna have to do that, Brandon. Switch these.
I know you want them the same way.
No, I don't care. These two are the other way now.
That hooks onto the valve, right?
I believe so.
Yeah, and then the blue thing.
Blue thing, black thing, wow.
Where's
It's probably how it should have went anyways.
The blue. Yeah.
oh, there's the blue thing.
The blue thing.
I don't think it really.
Huh?
Blue thing, black thing.
Well, they want to be able to take that spool and move it that way.
It's a hard one,
How do you think I can get it started? I gotta take my gloves off.
Go look. I'm not gonna look.
That's the way it goes. Everybody's looking at it.
I
Wait,
didn't.
you cross-threaded so you
I
can't
know.
start it.
Come on, Brandon.
I didn't cross-threaded.
You
I was
cross-threading
crooked.
it.
I know that. I see that.
Why do we have?
Those are miscellaneous, I think.
These are. That's great.
It probably, I thought some in there. Yeah. Some extra.
Yeah,
Well, I
think
got
we
to right nut with the right
put
bolt.
that up. We won't look at those plans.
I did.
So then the blue thing goes there.
Yeah.
Blue thing, black thing, valve.
That sounds just like the other one.
That's just like the
That
other one.
short stub you're sitting on goes right there.
Oh, okay.
You have to get up your seat.
It's pretty nice, really.
No.
No?
The blue thing goes on the meter.
I thought the black thing goes on the blue thing.
No,
Blue
it's
thing,
right.
black thing. Black thing slides into the blue thing.
That's what I thought.
The blue thing goes on the meter.
No.
And then the black thing bolts on
These
the
things
valve.
suck.
Hey, dude, where'd you get these fucking bolts?
It don't matter
Is it
which
in the
way
box?
it goes.
Miscellaneous.
I think it's just so I can take either one of them apart.
See how Matt did his.
It's hard. I told you it was hard.
It looks like
See?
the-
Yeah, grab me a wrench. I'll fix it.
It looks like that blue thing bolts on the
Are
valve.
these nuts the right size?
So I can either slide
Inch and an
that
eighth.
way.
Yeah.
Like,
That's why I brought
The
it.
stub, random stub goes on that meter.
Okay.
That's not true.
This.
Yeah, the thing you're sitting on. Need a wrench for that kind of thing.
We talked about this already. It didn't sink in. No, it didn't resonate. Something. What do I want to say? Resonate?
I don't know.
He's dumb.
Why don't you just say it? Why you guys say big words?
Dumb?
Resonate.
You know how to spell dumb? D-U-M.
That's the short version.
That's how you spell it, ain't it?
Yeah.
You gonna hit them all or what?
Crank it, Jerry.
I was gonna give you my wrench.
That would be picked up for a little bit.
Putting Scott to good use down there. Sitting down holding that pipe up. This one doesn't have any electric or anything in it, so there's no sump pump or nothing like that to run. There's a sump hole, but no pump. It's got a 45 on the other side there. 45 down into the ductile iron coming out of the box, and our link seals don't work. The holes in the box were too small, so we're going to have to grout them in. And we got to cut some galvanized for pipe stands to go underneath all this to kind of hold it up. Still, but we're going to work on this. Hopefully tie this in tomorrow. On Friday. Tie in Friday. Boss man's back to work. He's driving around. Might be him right there. Yep. Hello. Oh yeah, we're just bolting that valve on now. We still gotta cut those pipe stands and get it raised up. So, yeah. We got one in the other truck. Yeah, it ran yesterday. I don't mean it to run today. Okay. Yeah, we just got to. They're bolting the other side of that valve on, so yeah, you'll have a little bit of time. Okay, see you later. Yep. We got to get the grouted first. Get the grounded first.
Grounded.
Gotta get it grounded first. Gotta get Brandon doing a little something first. I've been doing all his work. I did all this. That's why the camera wasn't on. Did all this by myself. All of it. I'm even drilling those holes. Ooh. I think you might have just made it through. Huh. I had it right there for him.
Really?
Pretty much. Mine wasn't grabbing like that.
Wow. It's on drill.
Spent all this work and then drill a hole in the pipe. He's getting the glory. I don't think he's getting the glory at all. He's struggling.
No.
Oh, that almost went in. Can you just go backwards? No.
There's a little bit.
Yeah. Wow, I did all the work. He gets the finisher off.
That was easy.
About time. I feel like it took y'all a long time for that.
Well, it did.
Brandon, you got channel locks?
Anybody got channel locks?
Brandon got channel locks?
We need some of that bucket up there.
We need it for.
Get this pipe out.
Get that nipple out of there.
Yeah, I don't want to get out.
I ain't getting out either.
Yeah, I remember.
My legs
I
cramped
remember
up.
doing this for him a second after we wanted to do it. He said he didn't want to get out.
Yeah.
Just gonna bring it down.
You gonna finish this inside?
Yeah.
When?
I gotta get in there.
Well, come on in.
You need to get some more. in the
Water's
bottom.
fine. Yeah, you
I
get the
was
bottom
pushing.
good?
I was pushing as hard as I could in there.
No, you weren't.
Oh, I gotta get on.
As hard as you could.
Did you grab the inch?
As hard as you could.
It's fast too.
Did you grab the inch before?
Pack the stuff right there.
Hey, Brandon.
Just impact them off. I ain't doing nothing anyway.
Hey, Brandon.
I'll edit
What?
that part out.
You got the pipe dope?
No, I don't have pipe dope.
Hey, Brandon, you run and get that pipe dope. Thanks, buddy. Hey, and a wrench to fit these bolts. What size are they?
I just use a crescent wrench.
Okay. Get a crescent wrench. And hurry up. Okay? It's getting late.
I think I should get that one in before I do this one so the shavings don't fall out.
Sure. What's he doing on? What's he doing now?
Oh man.
It's not looking good for the drill bit. That'll work.
Just a medium.
Yeah.
Probably.
He showed a small one. Yeah. We're gonna tighten the bottom one so we don't get shavings all over the threads. Ish.
Anything else?
Bastards. I'm kind of thirsty.
I mean, I guess I could go ahead and drill that saddle in.
Well, we gotta drill this hole too.
Yeah.
We got 2 drills.
Yeah.
What are you drilling in?
The saddle.
Oh,
I don't know if we have 2 drills.
We do. There's one right there.
we got one battery.
We ain't got
Well,
no
two
batteries.
You got a battery there.
Oh, yeah. I ain't got the drill bit, though. Can you have Brandon go get it?
You probably don't know what it is. You got 2 drills down there?
Yeah.
Where is the bit, Nathan?
Well, I got to get the saddle and everything, too. So
It's in
just, I'll go get it.
Well, you know.
Yeah.
Look at all this shit we got down here.
Yeah, you got to pick all this up so I can go home.
Oh my God, you're coming in too?
Coming in.
3 guys. Oh.
Is it going? I was getting ready to help you.
There you go.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
You got very far.
Ow. Bitch, shit on me.
I'm going to use it on this. Yeah, I think I'm about there. Doing a lot better. Kitty guy's first game. He says, whose fault is that? It's not mine. Made in the USA. Be a big tariff on it. You foreigners want this stuff. Tariff trade war going on, Brandon. Who do you think's gonna win?
You talking to me?
Nope.
US all the way, baby.
What about the electricity and the chickens and whatnot?
I'd live off fucking grid.
Yeah, right. As long as you got something to charge your phone to watch TikTok.
Just need my chickens. I'll sell eggs.
They killed all the chickens last year.
Yeah, let's eat a little bit right there.
Chicken killer. Who killed the chickens, I wonder?
Oh, my two's not made for that.
Why would you kill all the chickens? It's because of the bird flu. Bird flu got them.
Oh, God, that's good way too much water.
That's why eggs are $6,000 a piece. You gotta take a second mortgage out to get 18 eggs. You know, we never ate eggs until they were expensive.
I make like an egg sandwich. When I was not working, I was making an egg sandwich like every morning.
What are you talking about every morning? You don't work now.
Those 2 weeks off.
You can afford egg sandwiches?
Bread and egg and
Wow.
a piece of cheese.
I think we might need to review your salary.
No, it's because I don't do nothing to spend anything. It's like the inbox.
All I need is a case of natty and an egg sandwich.
It's it, man. Have you seen that guy that does the face? I can't think what he called his name. I done dumped my water out, so I gotta go get some.
Oh,
I was gonna put building that on my camera.
there's not very much.
Huh?
I said I was gonna put building this on my camera, but
Didn't work out.
I forgot to turn it on. So there it is. Get the gauge. You finishing?
I don't know. There ain't much there.
Duct tape while you're up there.
You're not even gonna try. All right, whatever.
Toss
Guess
my
you
water
ain't
out.
even gonna try. Where's your water?
I tossed my water out.
Oh, I can't get no more of that, I guess.
That's what I'm doing.
Go get some water.
You think you got enough?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Good morning. Excuse me. It is Friday. Friday. Those lights are bright. I may or may not have stayed up too late last night drinking beer. The jury's still out on this one. But what I do know is I'm going to put that in today and do a tie-in. And I do know that these are a really good idea. I haven't seen them really work very well yet. So I need a coupling, a cap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 megalungs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I need a ductile iron. Megalung. I don't see it. But it may have been put out already on the job. Yep, we should be good to go. Maybe. I don't know. Let's go to work. I gotta get fueled up. Did not do that yesterday. So I'm gonna get fueled up. We'll get these extra ladders to get rid of. We've got 100 feet of 6-inch pipe for the tie-in. We've got a backseat full of junk. And we've got one old 6.0 Power Stroke diesel. So let's see if it'll start.
Couldn't identify, so they landed, and that's when they found the cameras on fire. What I find interesting,
All right, well, we're starting off okay. She started. See if this will open. All right, things are looking good.
Where's your stuff at? It's in the box. Found my nipple. Finally. It's on the ground. A little bit of this on there. Back to the other side. Also. What's going on? What are we doing today? It's on the phone again? Cameras aren't working. Cameras aren't working. Get with them cameras. Ah. Nice. That's trash. Fit? Maybe. Oh, jeez. Should work. I hope they can see these valves. Things are huge. Yeah, right over here. The highway side. That ridge go big enough for this? No. This is not working. I need something different. Something different. Neat. My what? Probably using them. Sure, I guess. I'm just finally done with my little project. My little shaky valve. That's looks all jacked up for some reason. That is so dumb. That thing wiggles like crazy. The wind's blowing it. I didn't draw it. There's a little mouth breather up there. Here we go. Your little mouth breather. Hey, what's this little guy? You worried about that little guy? Must be extra.
From what?
There was extra bolts and.
I'm just gonna take a peek here. Oh, yeah, there it goes.
Whatever.
All right, this one's pretty much donezo.
that? Old duct will tighten right up. Yeah. Staying in the mud and the muck.
But the old duct will tighten right up.
Ah! Ah! You see how tight it is? That's tight.
I can tell you really tight.
That's tight. You gotta make noise.
I'll have to hook it to shut off that third valve so that
They break
if they break it, we ain't got to fuck with it.
Yeah, third valve. Good idea. He has a good idea every now and then. Down it.
Every now and then.
Most of his good ideas are what I say 5 minutes later.
It's just in a different way.
Wish Nathan would be quiet in there. Might be sweating some beer out. Putting a little beer out. Might get to stinking later. It's going over for a couple. I don't think that's ever happened in the history of Center, Missouri. A couple either.
Not just a couple of
Yeah. On a Thursday, you gotta be careful. Thursday's almost as bad as the Wednesday.
I told him. He said, they brought the cake out before they ate. That's cake back then. I said, well, they're also throwing a birthday party at noon on a Thursday.
They drinking.
What?
Yeah.
The fuck is going on?
Yeah, who throws a birthday party 12 o'clock on a Thursday? Apparently there's a water line in there. Nah, we had to tie onto it anyways. We just dug till we found it. Straight there. He keeps on looking. He's like, yeah, man. Your coupling's kind of spun there, buddy. Gonna put one down on the bottom. There you go. There's a good impact in there. We're gonna dig that out, ain't we?
Probably.
It's alright. You can handle it. I got faith in you. What was that all about?
Pull the shirt up.
Tuck your shirt in like a man. Hit it. Lance fell down.
No, no.
I can't help you. I'm actually holding it. Beat my gasket.
Suck that, baby. What? What you want me to beat?
Beat me. Beat me in. And then I'll work on this side. No, we'll have to hold it now, Mel. Oh, look at, oh my goodness. I have never
That's how you beat it, bud.
seen anything like that before in my life.
That's how you beat it. Just beat it.
No, stop.
Beat
Stop.
it.
No.
No?
No, we're not doing that here.
What do you think you mean by that song?
Huh?
Michael Jackson music.
He's
Just beat
talking
it.
about masturbation.
That's what it seems like, huh?
Oh, look who decides to show up.
We're the only one that puts the string in it.
Look who decides to show up.
up there about that. There's nothing I can do here.
I heard the impact in the.
Yeah, you came running?
There, and I figured it was probably.
He's just sitting in there, you know.
I know it.
Oh, good.
There's probably a pack of cigarettes smoked down in the bottom of that thing. Let me have that impact real quick.
I was in, the whole thing's in.
It's on.
Ground.
Took a 45-minute break. Just wait till Dad's done here.
I'll lift it up for you.
It's fine. I can get on everything.
It didn't look like it fell that much.
It did a little bit. Just wait on Daddy.
I seen it.
Let's pick it back up because I don't want to struggle.
You want me to pick it up?
Yeah, I can't get on my bolts now. You said you could get on. Well, I thought I could.
You want to put the block back under it?
Are you going to hold it?
No, I don't want to hold it.
And you're going to get me too far over there. So. Yeah. Actually, it's, well, I need to move it over. So. Yeah, put the block back down, please. I'm glad this is on so people know exactly what I deal with on the daily. Let's just, it's fine right there. Let's just go. Come on. Come on.
I'll lift it up, you push it over. Maybe.
Where, you're prying that way and I'm prying this way. How am I going to get it on that block? Thank you. Aha. Now we're
Happy?
talking. Kinda. I stopped on this bottom one. Can't even get a wrench on it. Not for me. There. Well, this one's done. Tied in and whatnot. That was a good one. No electricity, no sump pump, no anything in this one. So it's just, yeah. So anyways, yeah, well, this one's done. We got there's another pit right here under these buckets that we're going to dig up, put that cap on right here, and fill that other pit full of dirt. That's what they want to do, so that's what we're going to do. I don't know if we're going to do it today or not. It's supposed to be a big storm coming tonight, this afternoon, so we might just finish this up and go on. We'll see. See if we got time.
I can chalk this one. My side's long.
Think the wind will blow today? AA lithiums. You can put the other ones in it, but they don't last very long. Yeah.